Mito and Chondria presents.
Right now, your body is made of about 37 trillion of them,
They're the smallest units of life.
and everything you are is built from them.
Today we're breaking down what a cell really is, the simple way.
A cell is the basic building block of all living things.
Every plant, every animal, every human, even bacteria, is made of cells.
Some organisms are just one cell, like bacteria or amoebas.
Others like you have trillions of cells working together.
And here's the amazing part. Every single cell in your body came from just one cell, the one you started as. There are two main types of cells, prokaryotic and eukaryotic.
Prokaryotic cells are the simple ones, like bacteria. No nucleus, no fancy organelles, just DNA floating around inside.
Eukaryotic cells are the complex ones, like your cells. They have a nucleus, organelles, and lots of specialized parts.
Fun fact, eukaryote means true nucleus in Greek. Let's take a tour inside a typical animal cell.
First, the cell membrane. A flexible outer layer that decides what goes in and out.
It's made of two layers of molecules called phospholipids. That's why it's called a bilayer. Next, the nucleus, the control center. It holds your DNA and tells the cell what to do.
It holds your DNA, all the instructions your cell needs to work and grow. It even has its own double membrane. The cytoplasm. The cytoplasm is the jelly-like fluid that fills the cell. All the organelles float in it, and it's where many chemical reactions happen.
Ribosomes.
Ribosomes are the tiny protein factories of the cell. They're everywhere.
Proteins do almost everything in your body, from building muscles to fighting infections.
Endoplasmatic reticulum is like a highway system for transporting materials. Rough ER is covered in ribosomes and builds proteins, while smooth ER makes fats and helps clean up the cell.
The Golgi apparatus is the packaging center. It receives proteins from the ER, packages them into little bubbles called vesicles, and ships them where they need to go.
Lysosomes. They are the recycling centers. They break down waste and old organelles. Think of them as tiny stomachs for the cell.
And finally, us, the mitochondria. The powerhouses of the cell. Our job is to make ATP, the energy that powers everything you do. Some cells have just a few of us. Others, like your heart cells, can have thousands.
But cells don't work alone.
Groups of similar cells form tissues, like muscle tissue or nerve tissue.
Tissues form organs, like your heart or brain.
Organs form systems, like your circulatory or nervous system.
And all of it together, that's you.
Let's recap.
1. Cells are the basic units of all life.
2. There are two main types, prokaryotic and eukaryotic.
3. Animal cells have a membrane, nucleus, cytoplasm, and organelles like ribosomes, ER, Golgi, lysosomes, and mitochondria.
4. Cells work together to form tissues, organs, and systems.
5. You are made of about 37 trillion of them. Pretty amazing. Thanks for watching.
We hope you learned something new today.
If you enjoyed video, hit that subscription button.
And turn on notifications so you never miss a lesson.
See you in the next video.